Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let me share with you how I made this delicious yummy egusi soup with okazi and water leaf. Yeah, this is like afan egusi soup. Let's get started. So here I have my peeled egusi. But before we go on with the egusi, let's prepare the protein we're going to be using for the soup. I'll be using goat meat. I've already washed the goat meat, so I'll go ahead, add some onions, seasoning cube and salt, stir together, cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes before adding any other thing to it.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly.
I will also be adding some stock fish. This is called nti oroko. Ntiazu. So that is the ear of the stockfish. So I'll be adding it to the soup. Go ahead, wash it and then add to the meat. I also have some dry mangala fish, but I'll be adding this later during the cooking. I'll also wash it. I'll be washing both the stockfish and this dry fish with hot water. The goat meat has been cooking now for about 10 minutes or more. So I'll go ahead and add the stock fish which I've already washed. Add more water to the meat, cover and then allow everything to cook until soft or well cooked.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through.
Now back to the egusi. I'll be adding in some fresh peppers and the crayfish. So I'll go ahead, wash everything together, then transfer into the blender. Blend all together until smooth.
Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
Now let's cook the soup. So into my dry pot, I'll add about 2 cooking spoons of palm oil.
Whispering flavors floating in the air.
Allow the oil to heat up for some seconds. I'll then go in with some sliced onions and a bit of salt. I'll stir this for about a minute or two and then add in the blended egusi, crayfish and the pepper. I'll then fry this and allow to cook or fry for about 15 minutes before we add any other thing to it. Keep watching.
Each note blends like spices red, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune.
After frying the egusi for about 10 minutes, this is what we have. Next, I'll add some meat stock to it. That's the goat meat stock to it.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air.
This stock will not be enough, so I'll also go ahead and add some water to it.
Note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen.
After stirring this, I'll then cover and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes more. You have to cook your egusi very well to avoid upsetting your stomach or running stomach. Next, we go to our vegetables. I told you I'll be using water leaf to cook this soup. I'll be using water leaf and okazi. We are making afang egusi soup or egusi afang soup. So I have my fresh water leaves here, which I will go ahead to select, pick out or cut, then wash and then slice it. I also have my okazi. This is dry okazi, which my sister, my lovely sister, sent to me from Port Harcourt. So I'll take the quantity I'll be cooking, soak it in the water for some minutes before we add it to the soup.
Joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
I've washed and sliced or cut the water leaf. So let's check the soup.
Gentle rhythms hum a tune.
This has been cooking now for about 15 minutes and I was also stirring it at intervals. It is now time to add our cooked meat and the washed dry fish.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like.
Then stir and mix everything together. Then we'll cover it again to cook for about 5 minutes or more so that the meat, the fish and the egusi and everything in the pot can mix thoroughly well. Before covering the pot, let's taste for salt and the pepper. Yummy, delicious, but it needs a little more of salt and the pepper.
Spice is rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sound.
It is now time to add our leafy vegetables. I'll start with the okazi first.
In harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
Allow to cook for about 2 minutes, after which I'll then add the water leaf.
Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes.
I'll also cover again and allow to cook for another 2 minutes, after which our soup is ready. Our water leaf, egusi and okazu soup is ready and very yummy. I hope you have clicked the like button of this video. If you haven't done so, please do so now, and thank you. Yeah, we are done cooking. All that is left now is for us to serve and enjoy the food. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound.